Welcome back to Aside Hot. Ezuku Chukudi Anunku be there inside studio. And today, the one we dey discuss now unemployment and APC 5,000 naira campaign promise. The reason why this one come for front burners or people dey talk now because of say for the House of Senate yesterday, Senators Basi Akpan from Cross River and also Senator Phillips dem in stand up talk say the APC been promised during the campaign say if they enter inside government, one of the things when they will use fight corruption, unemployment, now to pay 5,000 naira to people when we say no get jobs, so that they're going to use that one, they step down while the government go about creating jobs. But then talk say the APC senators can't raise another point, say you get some things wey suppose dey in place before dem put this one. Many Nigerians dey talk say yes, if things no dey in place and we start with this one, na money miss road. Other people dey talk say dem suppose don know say dem need to put things in place before dem talk am for inside the campaign.
Well, Chukudi, no doubt, I agree with you. I also agree with wetin Oga Chukudi talk. But then we go still need to reinstate, talk wetin dem talk. Oga Vice President recently, that was a few months back. That was in June. Where he talk say, look, say the government at this place, they do it. They evaluate the best way where they will take collapse existing cash transfers and the social welfare scheme before they go do it. Before they go say that they embark into addressing the issue of say they want to pay 5,000. Now to tell you, say, look, there are outstanding issues, and that outstanding issues are the issues being addressed. But then, in as much as there are outstanding issues, we should also at least foresee certain things before we go say we push our head into them.
Thank you very much.
I said that one.
No, thank you very much. I must thank you again. I bet wait till the thing where you take. I know because this thing where you just talk now, no be ordinary mouth you just come out from.
It don't do you.
The third time.
It don't do you.
Now because of November 10 we don't hear, I make you talk true. I appreciate it.
Let me make my point.
Okay, sorry.
Let me make my point.
Okay, make your point.
Let me make my point.
Oh yeah, sorry, make your point. Don't make point now. You don't call the best. Oh yeah, make your point.
So it is appropriate for us to say, okay, before we go enter into anything, make we first foresee what we enter into. At least foresee. No, say yes, this is what we are entering into. Not be tell you all they make promises from a distance. We will know as the inside be. And they'll probably, just because of say we won't take power, that's why they make all these promises. But before we go continue on this matter, more here with Oga Bobby won't talk about this matter because I know say Oga Bobby with the Amsterdam go react heavily on this. Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Good morning, Natu.
Good morning.
Oga Bobby, good morning, sir.
The TBC, when I want to talk for SIBC, Nigeria issue is bigger than me and you and even the government. That I want to get to understand. First of all, it's bigger than us. Because there are so many ways we use our own hand to sabotage things for ourselves. You understand me now? We sabotage things by looking to promises. A promise not be saying that if somebody promise you say, I will give you money, enough is date put to. You understand me? There's a date. If you say, okay, put date, say, okay, I will give you so day. You understand me? And then you go know say that day, then you go take the money. You understand me? Now, so those are the things that one will get to understand. But the government office, they say when you say we go really specific to do all these things the way it promised. And moreover, you get to understand, say, inherit things where we say they are not in place. So when things are not in place, you get to arrange that place properly before you go say you want to think of to say you won't do any promises when you promise person. If your house they fall apart and you promise your junior brother say you won't give them money for school or what, you're not going to try to fix your house. If your house fall, how you want to give her the money? So you understand me now? Those are the problem. But one other thing I want to contribute for instance, say, get what Kennedy talk. He say, not think of what your country go do for you, but think of what you go do for your country.
Exactly.
You understand me now? So me Nigeria, they think of what they go do for the country to do better, not rather to think of what the country go do for them. Because we plenty for every year. How can Buhari do for everybody? He not go satisfy everybody. You understand me now? Everybody can't be happy. That I want to get to understand. So we get to know. Trying to find a way when you go to help for your country. What do be your contribution for the country?
Exactly.
You know my point?
Thank you very much for that important contribution. This one not very, very clear. Say those of all of us now, as we talk, 160 million Nigerians we must join our hand together to support our Oga Presido and the government. They're not plenty reach us. Now we go be their backbone and give them the support. And we'll collect this call from Oshogbo Aralomo. Aralomo, good morning.
Aralomo, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Nkubi.
Good morning.
Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Nkubi.
Good morning. We dey hear you. Hey, our first Aralomo, and our first caller is you.
Our first time caller.
Hey, Oga Aralomo, abeg, we go beg you, abeg, try call this. Try just a try.
Exactly.
They encourage you to try, abeg.
Very true. Very true. Make we emphasize on wetin Oga Bobby don talk. Oga Bobby talk about promise. I like the way he take approach am today. The era of say you go tell person something to use am because one of the reasons why we say our people don lose confidence in government na say dem sabi talk. But when e reach to do, dem no dey do. E dey very very important say as we dey talk, we suppose dey educate. Na one of the reasons why we dey talk say okay on top of as e dey hot, we dey try our best to put the information out there make Nigerians know, even though sometimes the talk go come from different side. Now, if we don talk say so time we go give people 5,000 naira as promise for campaign to fight unemployment, and people come look say this government won't get this kind of package for us, we go support them. They can't come out to support the government. E dey on the part of that government to try to let the people know say social welfare and something when we say e dey for every part of the world.
Yeah.
But these are the things we go put in place.
Yes.
I dey very sure say Oga Bobby from Amsterdam, for Amsterdam there, for inside Holland, they get things when we say they put for people when we say maybe no get job, no get house, and all those kind of things, so that they no go dey too frustrated, can't they put hand for inside bad thing. But we must make them clear. My own be say make we no come they make excuses, because when the senators from the PDP raise that motion, the APC senators counter and talk say make them go probe the way when we say Oga Jonah take spend in government take spend the Shopee. It can't be like say excuse they enter the situation.
Counter waiting this what they demand for. We get Onochukwu from Jalingo. Good morning, Oga Onochukwu.
Good morning. How you dey?
We dey fine.
How na dey na?
We dey try, Oga Onochukwu.
I dey like na program Nkubi and Chukwu. May God bless you na.
Amen. Thank you, sir.
Please, every time I love this station because what the station are normally doing every time is very, very interesting because the station is, I normally love watching the station from morning till night every time. Even the 8 o'clock program, I love the station. I pray may God bless you now.
Thank you very much, Oga Olochukwu.
I just want to say hi to you people because I don't have anything to say.
Okay, thank you very, very much, Oga Olochukwu. I beg and
thank you very much.
They tell the people of Jalingo, your friends, say make them go do it, make them go buy, the cable way, go there, give them the license to watch our program. That is Wazobia TV station. Our programs we will get for now. We get Oga Ahmed. Oga Ahmed, they call us from Kaduna. Good morning, Oga Ahmed.
Good morning. Good morning, Chukudi.
Oga Ahmed, we greet you, sir.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Ahmed.
You know about this issue, what I want Chukudi to understand, is that it's PDP that made PDP that make APC to make that promise. Ask me why.
Okay.
So as PDP normally lied to Nigeria, they normally tell us that we have the best economy, we have the best everything. So APC considered, okay, if we should have the best economy, definitely everybody must have 5,000 on that best economy that we have. So that was why APC promised that if they go there, that they are going to pay 5,000 naira. And as they went there, they don't consider money. So what do you want us to pay the 5,000? Definitely they have to settle some things before they can pay the 5,000 since the previous government lied to Nigeria. It's just like Chukudi now. I saw you told me that you normally earn 50,000, for example, as salary, and you do not put your children in school. So I now say that if I should be the one that earn 5,000, if I should be the one in your shoe, definitely I will take my children and even the neighbors around me. I will put them in school. So as the time that I now be in your shoe, so I now see that that 50,000 that you told me that you normally earn, it's not what you earn. It's 1 naira or 5 naira that you earn. Okay, how will you expect me to put my children in school? Talk less of carrying my neighbors along. So that is it. That is it. So Ogogoro and Sprite are the same color, but na different work they do for body.
Very true. Very true.
Ahmed, thank you very much for that contribution. Oga Ahmed bring her from another different angle.
Exactly.
Say, the outgone this same party, the outgone leadership say now them banked on lie, and these same new people come to also take lie, also enter. But in as much as people,
so two of them they lie.
in as much as these new people where they take lie enter, at least they go even give us time. At least not be lie go take convince people. Tell the people the truth. Wait till they won't make them hear. Before at least for the people to believe in you. Not be rather to take lie when they collect lie. We get Oga Prince all the way from Owerri. Good morning, Oga Prince.
Chukwudi and Nkubi, good morning.
We agree to Oga Prince.
And I enjoy that the soup when they cook that thing they sweet well.
Thank you, sir.
That thing where they make them sweet, they say we will be the color, we be the salt where you go. They now the Adam
Yes,
where they
sir.
make them sweet.
Yes, so.
So making that they put in the ingredients where we say when we now add that our sauce.
Exactly.
You go
The
feel
soup
give
not-
and taste.
the soup will not be sweet.
Thank you, sir.
You know, no matter the way where the thing will they come out smoke. If you know Adam salt, you know go this sweet now.
Not true,
So
not
now
true.
we be the salt way. So I want to add my own salt this morning.
Okay.
I want to start by saying, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, we discussed about bad road across the country. Even I want to suggest to this government, all these promises they made, 5,000 naira per unemployment youth, free feed for our school, our students, our peoples. So let them abandon it, my brother. Let us not hold them accountable for it now, because I believe that the bad road we have across this country, if they can put it in place, it will benefit us more than they will say, because we have promised 5,000. Let's abandon, let's leave this road we talk about and begin to issue this 5,000 to unemployed people we have across the country. So I don't know which one we really like. You know, like the last caller say, I thought to add up what the last caller said. Do you understand me? That
Okay.
Paravento, the last administrator tell us that we have the best economy in the whole Africa. And these people, based on that, they now make some promises. So coming in is not real. Do you understand me? That I think that will not make the person that the promise he made, that will not make him not to fulfill it. So let us be patient with this government, please.
Oga Prince, thank you very
Oga Prince,
much.
thank you very much. But then, he get waiting Oga Prince talk. Make we also bear in mind, say, the issue of governance, they're very, very sensitive. Before you go take up any responsibility, say, one can't lead a particular set of people. Make it bear in mind, say, there are a whole lot to it.
True.
And these people will also come make all these promises. Are people will say they don't they in government before. So make them not call they take Nigerians as dummies or fools. Where we say, okay, we give them this one. In the end, once we enter, we go do it. We go just decide as we go take the whole run their affair. It does not work that way.
At all.
Okay, if you have made outlined promises, say these are the things we won't give Nigerians. Let us see signs of it. And if we're not seeing signs of it, give us reasons why these things are not coming forth. Rather than say, okay, withdraw. Then they try this at the counter. Let us see reasons. Oga John, all the way from Imo. Good morning.
Oga Kuli, good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Kuli, good morning.
Oga John, I dey greet you.
I beg, I love on my stream. And one thing I want for like make una do on this program is the best program so far. When we say me they like, at any day one not they have self they watch, and not they happy self. So I would like make this program, if you go enter on that social media, if people go they try the comment also.
Oga John, you know what you go do? Just rush, go follow the Aside Hot fan page on top of Facebook. If you follow the Aside Hot fan page, every information where you get about our topic, we dey place them on top of there, including videos wey go make your belly dey sweet.
Okay, so what will be the topic of today? Sorry.
Today, we dey discuss unemployment inside Obodo, Nigeria, and the 5,000 naira promise of APC.
Man, Oga Chukwudi,
I dey hear you, sir.
this 5,000 of the thing, as the money is just a chicken change to them, because some of all these politicians, when they promise this money, any of them will carry woman, go lodge for hotel, they are giving that person more than 5,000 naira.
But now the implementation would they ask for?
Sir?
The implementation of the 5,000, why they never implement and reach now?
Whether they implement or they don't implement, I know go reach their hands. it not go reach the masses hand. So some of them go take care and put for their own pocket. So make them tell them money they what they want you say that they share. At the end of the day, they go say they take and do this. Make them take and go repair some. On Monday we talk about bad road. Make them arrange all those money. Take and go walk our bad road for us. Make them leave the 5,000 for us. No, we don't need them because some of us some of us are making more than that 5,000 naira. So let them use that money and go and develop some of our states.
Oga John, thank you very much for this important contribution. You don't even join mouth with Oga Prince from Owerri
exactly.
to talk the same thing. Say, if we talk about priority, he gets something so we say we suppose address rather than that. And they insist, say, whether we like them or not, for inside this Obodo Nigeria, election time don't go. We don't talk some kind of things. We don't win the election. It make we begin to address the issues and let Nigerians know importantly say the reason why would they do this thing now so that it go there like this, so that people know go the way they talk say shebi una promise us 5,000. We go collect this call from Abuja. This one are from Zumozu. Zumozu, good morning.
Good morning.
Zimozu, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. I beg, raise your voice up, make we hear you clearly.
I enjoy your programs here.
Thank you very much.
I want to contribute on the issue of broken economy.
Okay.
It's unfair that the president will tell us that the whole country is broke. If you are a leader, you need to motivate your people. Even though if you are a businessman and your business is going down, the way you do it is to provide solution instead of telling us that the country is broke. So on the 5,000 naira something, if you promise us that you are going to do this and do that without fulfilling that promise, that means you are deceiving us, because what next will you tell us coming in next election? So if you promise us anything, if you don't know how to do it, if you find a way to create the economy, to run the economy in a way that everybody will feel it. You cannot tell me that Nigeria is broke, because I know how much Nigeria is making daily. So if Buhari can run the nation, let it show us by example, instead of telling us that the country, if it is the minister is telling us that the country is broke, that one is different. But Buhari as a person cannot tell us that the whole country is broke.
It's broke.
It's unfair. That's my contribution.
Oga Zimozu, thank you very much. From waiting everybody they talk, Nkubi, they very, very evident say, waiting government must do now to win back the trust of the people. And the way to win back the trust of the people now to be very, very truthful. Sincere, and the only way to be truthful now to open up to the people, because now them put you to represent them for inside that place. From Abuja, we'll come back, enter inside Warri, when they inside Delta State. Collect this call from Oga Emmanuel. Oga Emmanuel, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Shukudi Anukwali.
Good morning, Oga Emmanuel.
So, I've been enjoying this program. I tried to get to no way, sir. So, but today I was so happy, sir, I get to that today, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So, this what I talk about, this 5,000 and this one. So, more I blame our papa in the for share now. So, our pastor, he means all kind of dangerous things we not expect to see, now see, as he enter. So, for my own side, we need to cooperate with them, because I don't tell you, say, as he enter, he will pay the 5,000 to start with. The promise they give, so don't give us, say, as he enter, he will give the promise to everybody. Maybe I leave this one, make it take in time, make it fish shaping this our country, because already we already drown already now to bring us out from the system and be the problem. So they argue, so maybe I leave this one, make it doing work. They talk about minister for the first time. Now the minister matter, I don't talk about ground now. You don't get minister, you need to swear there. So maybe I leave this one, make it doing work. Like that. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
Oga Emmanuel. Very important point now you don't make. Quickly, we go rush, enter inside this break. When we go this break, come back, and we'll go face the final bus stop of Asiri Hall to discuss this issue of unemployment inside Obodo, Nigeria. We go put statistics, we go put figures, so that Nigerians go there aware of these things, then we go look the final solution. Don't go anywhere and still ask if they hurt. Welcome back to Asiri Hall. Ezugu Chukwudi Anunkumi, they discuss one very important topic when they affect everybody inside Obodo, Nigeria, unemployment. The catch to this topic now, the 5,000 naira campaign promise when the APC talk say if they enter inside government, they go do. When they discuss this issue, they come from different angles, but time don't reach for us to drop all the figures down so that everybody for Obodo, Nigeria will understand. Nkubi, they very, very obvious. Say, this issue they very, very sensitive, like you don't talk. Unemployment, no, they know political party, no, they know where you come from. Now everybody they affect. And according to the statistics, when we say they don't give us, we don't see say as we they pass they go for different year, the thing they spoil.
Obviously.
Last quarter of 2014, the last 3 months, the thing they at 6.4. First quarter, first 3 months, the thing enter 7.5. And the second quarter when follow, the thing enter 8.2. So the thing shows that the situation they deteriorate.
Exactly, like typically, just as you talk, like the first quarter of this year, according to the statistics, you don't give the statistics, we can also look the figure they even mentioned. They say they reach like 504,000,
exactly.
596 Nigerians, 9 days unemployed for that first quarter.
True.
You can imagine
just that 3 months.
You can imagine
people
this
don't get anything.
This
months.
figure. Can't put, and we get 4 quarters in a year. Can't imagine, you understand? Can't bring the 4 together. Can't check out the unemployment rate. See the massive number of people who go do it. Who go do unemployment. Who go do unemployed in a year. That's to tell you, say it calls for concern. And anybody they come give us promise, say this is what you will address.
Very true.
Let us be sincere with ourselves. Give us figures. Give us approaches as you go take address this issue, rather than just make promises just because you want to come into power.
Exactly.
Which is very, very wrong.
According to the National Bureau of Statistics, they talk say the economically active or working age for Nigeria now 15 to 64. And they talk say that figure now don't be 103.5 million of an estimated 160 million.
Imagine.
But last year, now 102.8 million. So we see say the thing they bad. Oga Kunle from Kaduna go join me for inside this discussion. Oga Kunle, welcome to our City Hall.
Oga Okubi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
Yeah, the issue on this discussion is that it's high time people should realize that we are all Nigerians. We should be telling our leader the truth. When
Oga Kunle, you did there?
They love a leader or they have a passion of a leader, they won't be able to say the truth. When they brought the issue yesterday to the floor, at least they're supposed to attend to the issue. It's not today that if they pass the issue, they pass the bill today that they will start paying today. They're supposed to attend to the issue when they attend to
Yes. Hey, Oga Kunle, why?
Oga Kunle.
And see the angle where Oga Kunle they bring her from.
True.
Very, very good. I talk. It say, look, at least it is very, very appropriate for you to say, okay, this is an issue and this is a promise we don't make to the people. Okay, make we discuss them. Rather than to just knock them off. Say, they're important to us right now. What is not important?
Very
Unemployment
true.
issues.
Very true.
I mean, this is one. The Senate president says something. He said, make everybody, our leaders, make they take the issue of unemployment very, very serious. Because not be something we just
put them aside. Say, we leave them for now.
We got Thomas. Thomas, they call us from Ikogi. Good morning, Thomas. Thomas, good morning.
Oga Thomas, reduce the volume of your television and tell us what you want to talk. Oga Thomas, it be like say the connection for that place. I beg our people in the house, if una call us, make una reduce the volume of una television so that the full Nigeria go hear una discussion.
So basically, that is what it is, because if the Senate president himself
understand
the height of unemployment issue for Nigeria, then I expect the people who be followership, where they represent us, to also speak up, to also say, okay, this is very, very important. And for the opposition to raise this kind of issue, let us collectively address this issue and address it once.
Make I key into waiting Oga Bobby talk from Amsterdam. He talk say, John F. Kennedy, President of America, that year been talk say, ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. On top of our City Hall, we they talk say, even if you talk say, I know the government, I know the minister, I know the governor, what I go do? You get voice, and waiting with that voice, the voice of reason, the voice of truth. Join them with everybody when they inside Obodo Nigeria and speak out. Never again politicians go come, give us promise. They run go Abuja. After 4 years, they'll come back, give us the same promise. We must begin to the ask, we must begin to the demand. Because from the way they behave, we don't show say, when the thing they okay for here, they go jump, go here. When the day bad here, they go jump, go here. But we as Nigerians, Niger, now we go see they suffer, they go.
Because at the same now, we are not even, we not be second issue for their own face.
At all.
We not even there for third issue.
At all.
We okay, then they will vote us in.
They will vote after 4 years. We'll come and share rice.
And apart from that,
and people like jollof rice now.
Either raw or jollof, either way, rice is rice. And we also look and say, okay, John F. Kennedy also said something, just as he talked. If think of what you can do for not what you can do for your country, not what your country can do for you. But then, if we also bring them from this side, For me to say, okay, I want improve my life. I know say government they provide employment.
True.
At least I go take the bull by the horn. But then what will stir up me taking the bull by the horn? Now when government encourage me, I don't go just when the fund no day, when the resources no day available, resources like power, resources like a lot of
enabling
resources, enabling environment,
security.
How you go to say go work?
Exactly.
You understand? So these are things. That is why Nigerians, it don't reach that stage where we say, if person they come promise you say I will provide this. Ask and say
how?
How?
When?
When?
Tell and say, give me date.
Give me date. Tell me how you want to.
How you want to do am.
So I will go feel hold you responsible.
Exactly.
That is how governance work.
Basically, now wetin government dey about. Let us begin to ask questions. They talk say, okay, oh, you talk say you go do this one. How you take things say you go do? And make we sit back, make we reason. Make it not be like say the person just come, just do us abracadabra. It can't be like say the thing happen for our eye. We will collect this call from Oga Kenneth from inside Lagos State. Oga Kenneth, welcome to our City Hot.
Oga Chukwudi and Oga Kubi, good morning. Oga Chukwudi. Oga Chukwudi, good morning. Oga Kubi, good morning. Yeah, I agree to now. Yeah, I watched the program yesterday. I watched the program yesterday when one senator they give directive say he wants the federal government with immediate effect to start paying the 5,000 naira stipend that they promised the masses. And the senator did not forget to know the situation Nigeria is in now. If you remember, Buhari gave directive to NIMS and other agencies that means to coordinate all our data in one place because that 5,000 naira cannot work if there's no accurate data. To know people that are unemployed, to know the exact number of people that are Nigerians. Because if you start them now, people from Niger, people from Chad, people from other countries, they go still collect that money.
Very true.
And Buhari don't give directives. Say make NIMS and other agencies coordinate all our data and make it in a central place. And I listened to one program yesterday for Red Power about this BVN. When the chairman for the commercial bank, they thought say that directive so that they follow them, and that means they always at the tail end. That means to make it work. That means if that directive work, that means Nigeria don't get data. Then from there we go now start the 5,000 naira stipend. About the broke where Buhari person Nigeria broke. I believe say Buhari na man will not feel lie. If you won't lie, still the gram, still the sugar for truth. And he did good as he thought.
Oga Kenneth, thank you very, very much. You don't emphasize our president, na man of integrity, and we all believe. And now what we want to make our politicians or our leaders them be, so that anything when they tell us, we go believe them. Our people when they for house, and I don't hear all the one who carry come today. As we take talk from the start, even though talk they come from different angle, it is very, very important make we emphasize, say, we must support our government. The present reality now say, our country, our account, somehow, you don't read. And some of the promises where we say we make, not we say we not go achieve them, but we need to put so many things in place. But government need to let Nigerians know, so that I not go be like, say, we there in the dark. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic, when they come out plenty smoke. We go tell una bye-bye on top of acid.
Yes, una bye-bye till tomorrow we'll go bring on that issue. You see me and you fall on the same track.
Yeah, my track. You fall on top of my track now.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.